Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add money to Venmo. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to easily add money to your Venmo account. First, open the Venmo app and head to the Me tab. From there, tap Add Money and select whether you want to fund your balance from a bank account or a debit card. Enter the amount you wish to add, choose your preferred payment method, and tap Add to initiate the transfer. Keep in mind, once the transfer starts, it cannot be cancelled, but you can always transfer the funds back to your bank once completed. You don't need money in your Venmo balance to make your payments to other users. You can always use a link payment method. If a transfer fails, you'll receive an email and the funds will remain in your bank account. You can also track the status of any transfer in the Meet tab under your transactions feed. That's all you need to know to keep your Venmo balance topped up and ready to go. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.